Would you agree Joe Biden's whole presidency has been a car crash? In fact, I found a car crash that represents Joe Biden's presidency. Tell me if you agree. Take a look. There we go. The first time I ever saw a full car crash that actually represented Joe Biden, a multiple car pileup that keeps getting worse and worse the longer it goes on. I pray for the United States. I pray for you and me. We have, 2 more years of this? Can you believe Joe Biden's only been in office a year and 7 months? I mean, it feels like an eternity. Go get a drink. We'll be right back.